You know, today I want to try something new. Let me give it a go. Alright, today I'm going to be opening a Funko Pop. But the best way how to do it. We got a Funko Pop box. So all we gotta do is... Oh, it's easy like that. You got Lucio Pop. You got the Lucio Pop. They got a Kiriko on it? Hold on. The copter. Alright. Okay. Oh, the box is good. I got it out of the box. This thing has a stand. It's a stand user. It's a JoJo reference. Oh, so here's the boy. You know, you could turn his head. This stand is kind of plastic. Oh my god. To put it back on. Hold on. Okay, your boy is on. And now he's on the shelf. He's on the shelf. And he lit with all my King Kai. And that one evil chick from Genshin Impact. There we go.